Do more of what makes you happy. And today, I choose to get married. Yeah, boy. Let's go. Dito tayo sa room. So this is where I'll be staying for 2 days. So dito tayo in preparation for our wedding. Eh. Okay naman. Ako lang muna dito mag-isa. Laban.
Ninang Gloria.
I was dreaming of you and I, but thinking it was too difficult. But you made me feel like I'm moving up. I know I've loved you since I've been loving you, my darling. I know it's hard, but I know you have to try to. Oh, it seems like it's not the way I.
Hi guys, it's May 31 today, and I can't wait to let you guys see what's gonna happen today. So come and join me as I prepare for our big day today. Let's go!
Wasted, I said, let me lock in my head, dreaming, but I know it can't be all this good.
Hi guys, good morning. Nagpe-prepare lang ako ng gamit today. Ang dami kasing kailangan ng ayusin. Mamaya, ako ay mag-prepare na rin para sa aking paligo. Maligo na rin ako maya-maya. Kaya I'm looking for some stuff right now. Sa aking mga susuotin. Pero pambahay muna ako habang wala pa naman. Ako lang mag-isa dito. Pero dumating yung pinsan ko kahapon. Kagabi, si Girlie tsaka si David, yung asawa niya. Dito sila natulog for a while. And then, pagising ko, wala na sila. Umalis na sila agad. Wala sila dito. Ako na lang ulit mag-isa dito. Pero mamaya, sobrang daming tao dito. Because we're all gearing up for this big day. And I'm just very excited. Excited ako for today. Agad na namin hinintay itong araw na to. And finally, mangyayari na siya. Yeah, let's go. So, I just want to share with you guys itong custom perfumes namin for our wedding. So, ito yung sa pang lalaki. Ito yung babae. And, yeah, I'm so excited na amoy ito ng ating mga ninong at ninang. If you want ganito sa wedding nyo, message nyo kami sa Sevi or message me directly on my Facebook page. Trabaho tayo. So, dyan muna siya. And then, ito yung invitation namin. Cute ba? Custom namin to. Pinaghirapan namin yan. Tapos, we have some photos here. Ito. Just in case lang, kailanganin ng photo video natin later. They can check from here mga photos namin together. Ganyan. Hopefully, wala akong makalimutan.
I've been staring at you from a distance, trying my best to resist it, but honey, I gotta talk to you. Nobody knows what I do for you.
Time check, it's 10 o'clock AM now. At wala pa rin tao dito. Ako lang dito. Hindi ko alam, wala pa sila Gemma, yung mga pinsan ko, kapatid ko, wala pa. Hinihintay ko sila. Sana dumating na sila. Sarap maligo. Ang haba naman ng tripod ko. Hindi, kailangan ko kasi talaga yun guys. Para sa mga videos na iti-take ko today. Hopefully makapag-vlog ako throughout the wedding. I don't know what's gonna happen today, but yeah. Let's see what happens. What if pag ganito na lang ako? Suot ko na sa wedding. Na joke lang. Mag-aayos sana ako ngayon eh, pero may magbi-makeup kasi sa akin. May mag-aayos sa akin later. Yung aming ninang, si Ninang Gloria. Hello po. Shout out sa aming ninang. Maraming salamat po. Tignan natin kung anong mangyayari ngayong araw na to. And we're hoping na maging maayos, maganda at peaceful, enjoy ang lahat sa wedding namin. Yun lang. Parang bagong gising pa rin yung mukha ko. At this point, parang hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. Wala akong naiisip gawin. Maybe because nagawa ko na yung ibang kailangan gawin kagabi pa. Pero wala. Siguro kailangan kasi hintayin ko yung mag-makeup, mag-aayos, yung mga darating, mag-photoshoot, video shoot. Yun lang hinihintay ko eh. Wala pa yung mga tao dito. So, yung groom na to walang ginagawa. Kundi naligo lang ako. Yun lang. Hindi ko alam guys. Laban, bahala na. By the way, shout out sa ating Airbnb. Very cozy dito. Diba? Okay lang mo ba igalaw ka ako?
Sige. Saan ba akong pagkakas?
Okay, shoot na. Francis, Joey, mga photographers natin. Ito tayo mag-shoot sa labas. Thank you Lord for the weather. Hindi naman ulan. Hopefully na. Walang tao. That's good.
Tayo ka na, Sir Eve. Nasaan ang belt mo?
Papunta pa lang.
Hindi ka na ba mag-belt talaga?
May bet pa ako eh. Pero
Ikaw, kailangan mo yung belt? Hindi na. Doon na lang tayo sa anong po. Sige, mo na lang. HLG.
Sige, dito. Paano nagsusot ka lang?
Kunyari ka lang itong kulay.
Yata nabasa yung chat ko.
Doon lang nakatingin. Tumas.
Dito banda, dito lang. Para may angulo pa rin.
Pero masyadong magalaw yung body. Guys, center kayo guys.
Kailangan dito. Okay, that's it. Okay. Harap ka, ayusin mo yung ano, ha?
Sorry.
Gets na yung quad.
Okay lang.
Dalawang S.
Okay, yeah, tama yan, ha? Okay.
Okay, direct.
Action!
Yan, masarap. Sige, ayaw mo si best man.
Sige lang.
Sa pagbubuhay niya.
Sige, ikaw din yung service.
Isa pa.
Ulit.
Go, one more. Manalog ba? Yan. Mesh, pag ganyan ba? Yan. Yan lang ha. Hawak mo sa butones yung isang kamay mo. No, sa butones sa baba. Yan lang ha. One more. And look here. Best man, doon ka sa kabilang side naman. Best man, sige, wag ka, dito ka na lang sa side na to. Sorry, para hindi masyado labot yan. Yan.
Ganda ng suot niyo guys.
Tingin dito banda. Ayan. Ayan mo na. Wait mo, sir. Point na ka, point mo ka lang. Tapos lang. Lang konti doon eh.
Meron nga kayo guys.
Hi. Thank you so much for coming. Did you talk to someone already?
No, it's okay, no problem, no problem.
You can sit here first. But I'm worried. But you're Thank you so much. I think you should.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
Sitting here.
No problem,
You
no
can sit
problem.
right
I just
here.
want to see. Okay lang.
No, I'm worried because your pants might get
No,
some stain.
it's okay. Go ahead. Thank you.
Wala pa. Looking down muna.
Okay.
And then,
Equally still
prepared. Here, go.
You have only
sorry, dito atingin sa atin ako. Ready, and looking down. Tingin dito, go. Nice. Ganyan lang, dito lang.
Yung right mo kasi ako pa sa botones ko lang. Yan. There you go. Look here. May lang.
Ito, mag-hi yung mga photographer natin. Hi kayo, hi.
Hi guys. Hi vloggers.
Kung gusto niyo po silang kuhain.
Ken Orbina Films.
Yan.
And Productions Worldwide.
I'm gonna put their Facebook page
Yeah,
sa link below.
Bye,
Yan,
guys.
sila kuya. Yan. Gang. Photoshoot na tayo guys. Ito na yun finally. Let's go. Like, share, subscribe. Ang galing! Ang galing! Ayusin mo nga, Ben. Galing mo nga. Dapat pala may dala tayong supply. Lulubog ko kanina.
knew we'd all be loving solid, then I never thought it would be. My heart is growing every time I know that you're in, but I'm too scared to say. So let me prove to you I am, that I could be a man, that I could be your only one. But baby, I won't ever let you go. I'd rather never be with someone else. I'd never thought that I could fall in love, that I could find me someone like you. My heart is growing every time I'm more than your head, but I'm too scared to say. Am I all that you want? Darling, is it true? I do all that I can for you, love, to stay. Stay, my love. So let me prove to you I am, that I could be a man, that I could be your only one. But baby, I will never let you go. I'd rather never be with someone else.
Hi! Sa Ate Midi at sa Ate Menchi. Lapit na. Sobrang lapit na. Thank you so much. Lapit na guys. Sobrang lapit na.
Cyrus!
Ano mo masasabi niyo? Kakasal na ako.
Siyempre, happy! Nagkaroon na ako ng apo. Ito na yung pinakaantay namin. Para naman sa reunion marami na kayo. Hindi yung kakonti lang.
Natutulog kami lagi eh.
Oo nga dagdagan sila. Dagdagan na sila.
Natagdagan na kami.
Nakasawahan na
Kaya
Thank you for coming.
super happy talaga. This is the moment.
Wow, let's go. Laban.
Ayun, because it's